Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 6, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 159. Sixth grade, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Then only one number are remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column G, we already have 5, so 5 can't come this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Seventh row, we have 5, 6 and 8. The 3 number can't come this cell, it will come in any one of the cells. Column G, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Fifth grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Sixth grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column J, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column H, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Third grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 2. It will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column B, column C, in 4th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Third row and 4th row, and column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second row and third row, we have 1. Column D, column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, 4th row and 2nd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Eighth row and column G, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column C, 8th row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come this cell. 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. First grade, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 4. Column E, column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Second row also we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Third row, then column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 8. Column E, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row, we have already 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Ninth row and 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 9. 9th row and 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, two numbers are remaining 8 and 9. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 9th row, two numbers are remaining 7 and 5. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining 3 and 4. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.